Guys, welcome back to Nessa's World. Yes, I know it's been a minute, but don't cuss me, and I am still here. I am okay. I am not sick. I didn't catch COVID and I'm not gonna catch it. And yeah, your girl is still here. So what I've been up to. But before I get into that, I just want to, ask if you all are okay. Let me know in the comments down below. Tell me what you've been up to. All my J1 peeps, what's the update from your sponsors. And I haven't heard anything yet. I'm still waiting. You all know it's May 11th. They're coming out with the information. So I'll give you guys an update on that. But differently from that though, I want to talk to everybody on the whole. What your girl been up to, why I've been MIA, and show you a few stuff that I got today and the projects that I have coming up. Nessa's World. Alright, I think I haven't posted a video for 1.5 weeks or probably 2 weeks, but I had exam. And when exam come, you just have to just focus on exam because you want to pass the exam and you don't want a distraction from nothing and nobody, right? So I was focusing on that, and even though it wasn't as tedious as my other exams in the past, this one just required a lot of attention, right? Because it was online exam. It was like an assessment, like 48 hours assessment, and you would have thought that I can just use one day and just complete the assessment, but boy, the amount of questions in it, you literally have to use up the 2 day. Like, and even when you use the 2 day, like, you still want some more time. And then we don't know what them do it now. I don't know them do it. Like, imagine you have Google, the World Wide Web, right? And you look on Google and try to look for the answer, you can't find none of the answer. Me don't know what make up them question there, but boy, them good. But I pray that I pass and I get good grades. So I've been focusing on that. Plus, you all know we're in quarantine, and most of us, well, not all, majority of us is like, we're not going anywhere, we're not getting any motion in our body. We just stay here. Is either we get up, we cook, we eat, we bathe, we sleep, and that's how the cycle continue, right? And we are gain some weight because we're not active, right? And the weight are stuck. And for me, my weight is stuck in the mid area, right? So we decided, say, you know what, I'm going to exercise. So I've been exercising from last week Sunday. Yeah, last week Sunday. So it's a week and couple days, right? And I see a lot of improvement in my mid area. Yeah, and I've been videoing that because I want you guys to see my transitions, yeah, from day 1 into week 2, and I think I may go a 3rd week depending on how I feel, but I don't want to stop anyway. But I've been working out, and I also decided that I want to learn something new. I want to take on a new hobby. You guys know that I love to cook and I love to do hair, right? But for some reason, I don't know if you guys ever reach that stage where sometimes you just don't feel the urge to do certain things anymore. Like, I love to do hair, but then there's a time in your life you just don't want to do it. You don't want to see no hair. Well, we kind of reach that stage right now. Not even my hair, me no want to comb. Like, I don't care. You guys know some of the business anyway. Me know everybody come on and then put on their makeup, then do their hair, they have a nice clothes. We sure no see this a shirt a whole heap of time. I just can't be bothered, and it's not that I don't care or whatever, but more if it just be real. And this is me. Me not gonna just go to the we cannot do it. Me not gonna just put on a makeup to come right. So you guys need to see V-La-Nessa. Yeah, the real Nessa. Right? So that's what's been happening. And I went on the road today and I got some stuff, right? Because as we say, I want to do something new, right? And I have a one seat, we would have called it chair. Yeah. I have a one seat chair. It's like a tall king, you know, the king chair there, yeah. I'm going to wrap it over. And I went on the road today and I bought some stuff. I'm going to make some cushion also because I kind of tired of them one. Yeah, they want to kind of worn out. Yeah. Gonna make some cushion. And I know I could have go out and go buy it. I know I could have make somebody make it for me. But if I dey home, I not do nothing. Why am I just learn something new? And I know like me, anything I put my hands to, I can do it. Like I me paint this place and I know say it look good. Everybody come and I think say a professional do it, but no, it's the girl Nessa. So I went on the road today and I bought some stuff. I bought some materials. I bought black, grey, turquoise. About this. Now this is a leather turquoise material, and this is what I'm going to use to wrap the king chair, the queen's chair, yeah, the queen's chair. And this is going to be like my statement piece in the living room. So I'm going to change up the color. So this is going to be turquoise, right? And then this is going to be the cushion for this settee. And then the cushion would be grey for this one, so the grey, whatever. And then I'm gonna put some pieces together and just make some different setting cushion, if you understand what I say. Yeah, about 8 of these. Try to buy a lot just in case I may need. Right? I bought threads, and I bought your girls bought stapler gun, and look how much for it. $6,400, and then I bought the staplers for it. So this is to tack the stuff. And I bought sponge. This is what they sit on because I want to change the sponge, you understand? And I bought, this is like memory foam. So this is a 1.5 inch what do you call it now, sheet of sponge. So it's like a spread thing, and this is what I'm going to use to like wrap right here and you know the back part and all those stuff, you understand? And, you know, you want to be comfortable. I don't know, I think this is going to be my new my favorite color now. And I just realized that almost everything that I bought, like from last year till now, is turquoise. My laptop bag is turquoise, my keyboard cover is turquoise, my water bottle is turquoise, my towel is turquoise. Like, you get the picture? I love blue, but then now I think this may be my next piece. And the next one, I don't want to show it now because my mother will cuss me. She'll watch my channel, she'll call me, and she'll cuss. But just in case she doesn't see it, I go tell her no, but don't tell her here. Don't tell her, because she say, I have one and I go send it on video, but I can't rip on her, you understand? She can take too long, and Corona, not like say she about to go away. And we need to make whatever, and we need to take in some clothes and just make some new stuff. So I bought this today. Yeah, your girl bought a sewing machine. I always wanted one of this, like from ever since. Like the first time I went to America, I wanted to buy it and take it down, but I thought they would have charged me a lot, so I didn't buy it. And the second year, I wanted to pack a barrel. I never packed the barrel. Last year, I don't know when we never think about it. Last year, but we did pack the barrel. But anyway, this year now, we decided, say, you know what, your girl have to learn something new and come out of this quarantine with a new trade. You understand? We can't do me here and do nothing, so it has stressed me. Like, just stay with the home every day, sit down and watch TV. No man, we have to come out. If I even with a new degree or something, one new year style or something, no one can come out just so. No one come in the house. Then I the all see me so I just come out so. I come in black and come out brown, you understand? Yeah, take house color. come out with that shade, you understand? Come out with my degree, you understand? But I know me crazy still. Don't pay me no mind. Anyway, guys, I need 5 more. 5 more subscribers. 5 more subscribers to make 1,000. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, you know, just go subscribe. And you see all those new stuff, welcome to your girl channel. And let me tell you, I'm not gonna just get it as it is. Like, it's quarantine time. Girl, you know, my eyebrow want to shave. Yeah, and my hair want to do. But your girl not going anywhere. Now they know, don't rush challenge. Just stay here, but yeah, I know I've been talking a lot and maybe half away my sentiment in a sense, but just do want to come to you for me could know say I'm still here. I am here and I am okay, alive and well, and I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah. We don't know. Sometimes you just need to take a break from the world, take a break from yourself. Yeah, take a break. And I just wanted a break. I was having like headaches because I wasn't getting enough sleep. A lot of stuff was going through my mind, and you know, I just wanted that break. So yeah, and I realized that why I was getting the headaches is because I wasn't sleeping enough. Because I am not an early sleeper, but I'm an early riser. So I will get up like maybe 6 o'clock in the morning and then go in bed like 2 o'clock in the night, 1 o'clock in the night. And you know, so that means I'm not getting enough sleep. And each time, like in the latter part, I would get like constant headaches. And I was wondering like, why my head hurt me? Why my head hurt me? So is it because we not drink water? Because of this, because of that, whatever. And then my sister just say, you know what, maybe you just need to go sleep. And I don't normally sleep in the day, and I went to my bed and I slept in the day, and I realized that I felt a little bit better. And then now, I went to my bed early that day and I got up and I realized I started feeling a bit better. And then I just continue, you know, going to bed early and not stayed up. And I realized that the headache subsided. And I think yesterday, I went to bed late and I was thinking about a lot of stuff. And then I got the headache last night. But when I got up this morning, I got up at 6 and I forced myself to just go and sleep again. And I got up and I got through the day with just no headache. So let's not take the break, you understand? And your girl is back. Hit me up in the comments down below, you know, let me know what you've been up to. And yeah, see you later. Don't remember to like, share, subscribe. Bye.